carport, y'all. Got a cameraman, kinda. Last week we showed you how to pull a bearing out of a tire using a welder. Not the right way to do that. This week we're still not going to do it the right way. We're going to use a tool that is should be readily available to any part store. It's a blind bearing puller. There's some things about that. The correct tool is the correct tool and not this tool and not a welder, but we're going to pull the bearing out of this front wheel. Let's see how that goes. Alright, we're going to find our appropriate size tool that just barely fits down in the hole, and our appropriate size wrenches. Your tool may vary. This one's a 17 and a 10. So as you tighten the tool, it'll drive that apart and snug it up in the hole there.
Oh, I was wondering how long it would take for you to make a pass.
And once you get that set in there, you attach your slide hammer to it, and then just slide hammer away. Remember where your fingers go, okay? Now, you can't put the wheel necessarily in the oven. I don't want to take a torch to my aluminum rim. And we can't really get the bearing in the freezer without putting the whole thing in the freezer. But maybe we can bring the cold to the bearing. Now the aluminum should warm up a lot faster than the steel. The steel should stay colder longer than the aluminum. Well, slide hammer didn't work, so you know, don't do that. Get the right tool, or take it to somebody that does, or you know, do it the way we normally do it. Cool. Way easier than all that other bullshit, huh? ABS sensor on the left side, clutch side. Looks like this, got a little groove in it. Groove goes down. When you get close to the bottom, you want to listen for the change. There it is. You hear it seat. Probably not on that camera, but in person you will. Now we went ahead and pre-chilled this with the... God damn, it's already stuck in there. Anyway, don't forget your spacer. There it is. This is a Harbor Freight wheel balancer. This is what it looks like put together. If you can't put this together, if you need a video on how to put this together, do not attempt this. So anyway, got our on our stand, we got our cones pinched into the new bearings. We got a piece of, we let it settle all on its own. We got one piece of blue tape here. Alright, it's settled back in the exact same spot on the second spin. So we're just going to go ahead and tape a 1/4 ounce weight to the exact opposite side, and we're going to give it another shot. Alright, so we put our 1/4 ounce weight, 180 out, and we're going to turn it 90 degrees and release, and then it should fall. Alright, cool. Put another 1/4 ounce weight right on top of that one. To the right this time, 90 degrees, and release. Should never move. So we need a 1/2 ounce of weight right there. We can cut them down into 2 pieces and put one on either side of the valve stem if we need to, or if you want to double stack them on one side. I don't know that it matters. Got her weights applied. She holding steady as a mug. And that's how you balance a tire with a Harbor Freight tire stand. Something's come up. We'll finish this in just a second. Be right back. Well, we got both tires balanced. Got the bearings in the front end re-replaced. That left side bearing, something was wrong with it. And out of abundance of caution, for $35, we went ahead and replaced the front bearings as well. Even though they're only a year old, I don't know, some didn't feel right with that front left bearing. So got her out there on the interstate, set the cruise control to posted speed limit, took the hands off, straight and true, no vibrations. Well, you know, road surface vibrations, but nothing undue or unusual. I know this video was kind of janky this week. I appreciate y'all sticking around. If you did to the end, hit all the buttons. I'd appreciate it. Now we're off to our next big adventure. And listen, y'all be safe out there, and for real, take care of one another, because I don't nobody else. How far? Because usually I'm like right here.
Okay, get a little closer.
Yeah.
Oh,
we go full $1 million bogan.
Yeah. Or do this.
yeah. Just that dude put it right in everybody's face. All right. So yeah, that works. Whatever looks good to you.
Yeah.
All right.